my experience was not what this watercraft was meant for. And so I'm going to eat crow on this one and say, here's why I am wrong. The Explorer Pro, and 2 of them had the heated hand grips, which no one used because it was 85 degrees. The Explorer Pro is great, in my takeaway, for the off-season rider. This ski with heated hand grips and the windscreen would be fantastic when you have wind chill of 35 degrees out. So your ears and your nose aren't trying to break off. Oh, okay. That makes sense. The Garmin, I will never, ever poo-poo navigation. All right. Is it expensive? Yeah. Is it nice? Yeah. The Explorer is for a demographic of people that I simply don't represent. My core interests aren't really reflected in that ski. Somebody wanted that ski. And that ski speaks to a lot of people. Those people are people who, I don't want to be cold. I don't want to be wet. I don't want to have any sort of fear of being tippy or rolling into a corner and making a tight turn. I want it to be as comfortable as humanly possible. All right. Creature comfort over everything. And I'm like, great. You're living behind screens. You're living behind the Garmin. You're living behind the dash. You're living behind that giant windscreen. You are, and of course, everything's tied to your phone. So you're like this. Oh boy, I'm having so much fun on my jet ski. Isn't this great? I'm on my phone. Oh, wait a minute. I got a text message. So that was kind of the whole takeaway of this whole thing, was I really felt that the Explorer completely removed the enthusiast from the experience of riding a jet ski. And I know there's people who are like, oh, it's great. It's everything I've always wanted. Please, sir, may I have another? But for me, I was like, you are so extracted. You're so removed from the experience of riding a ski that, I mean, it's not even riding a jet ski. You're not. And that, I did a video of like, hey, I think our skis are losing their soul. I think we're losing the spirit of jet skiing. The Explorer was that exemplified. It just really was, because there was so many things removing and blocking you from the exhilaration of riding and being on the water. It just removes you. It's now a mode of transportation. It's no longer a toy. It's transportation. And I thought that was disheartening.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.